Hi, Imaginators. My name is Kashmira, and I'm here to tell you the backstory of how my dear friend and client Tracy Miles and I imagined this beautiful kit that you see on this page, and I'm hoping you're really excited to have. So, the Imagination Kits came out of a short conversation that Tracy and I had after she had attended one of my transformation events. And her observation was, wouldn't it be really nice if we could teach our little people, children, to learn or be equipped with the tools of self discovery, of quiet time, of really exploring what is in their heart and being able to have the courage and the freedom to express their emotions or their deepest fears and joys and dreams. And this really sat in my brain um, when I was looking at a totally different concept. I was looking at the traditional idea of prayer flags. If you're familiar with this, in the pan Himalayan area, whether it's Tibet or India or Buddhist China, there is a tradition of hanging prayer flags, this banner, if you will, of flags across doorways, in places of residences, worship, celebration, on hazardous roads. And each of those flags would carry a motivational or a positive message. And the idea is that as these flags flutter in the wind, you're basically spreading that message that is on the flag into the air or into the space around it and then into the universe at large. So for generally, they would have peace, love, harmony, and and in that area. So I married the conversation that I had with Tracy and this idea of the prayer flags to come up with the idea of imagination flags. What if children could create a garland, if you will, of flags, and each of those flags would give them an opportunity of expressing what's in their heart. So their dreams, their fears, their anxieties, their anger, their joy, their playfulness, their laughter. And all of this now would go up on these flags that they would hang in their room or in any of the spaces that they are at. And there would be an expression of what is in their heart. Of course, the underlying idea would also be that their caregivers, their parents, grandparents, uncles, aunties, school teachers, would have a view of what this child is feeling inside and maybe unable to express in words. So you bypass the self belief, the language center, and you access your deepest and truest inner self. And this child then starts to get the courage to continue to do that. And to enable that, we also added a journal. So once the flag was decorated, it is up on the wall, it is an expression of their heart in that moment, it's a crafting activity, it's an emotional wellness tool, they've learned it. Now we also add a journal. So they would have the possibility of having an ongoing discipline of sitting down with this journal and using images, pictures, maybe even words to express on an ongoing basis their deepest thoughts, emotions, feelings, experiences. So, this was the idea. And now began the magical work that Tracy has done. She took this concept and made it retail ready. So, she added three versions. So, there is not only the flags, but also a mobile which kind of hangs vertically. And for those who are slightly older or maybe live in homes where there isn't a possibility of hanging things on the wall, a board. So you now get three versions of the same idea: an imagination flag kit, an imagination mobile kit, and an imagination board kit. And so this is really what is going to be available in retailers wherever you are and probably online by Christmas this year. I hope that when you see this kit and experience it, you feel the love and the care that both Tracy and I want to send to you. We truly feel that we can transform this world one child at a time. I hope you really loved hearing the story. Share your feedback, tell us what you think, and let us start a conversation. Bye.